Hey Eagles, we're going to do a PE Kit Scavenger Hunt. You're going to have 5 minutes to collect as many items as you can around your house to create a PE kit. Here is my PE kit. Get as much as you can. If you already created a PE kit, then you can close this video right now and then go do the other skills and games activity. Alright, if you're still here, then you need to create your PE kit. And you're going to find having a PE kit is nice to have for all of our PE lessons, whether Zoom or Seesaw. Because if I say, hey, get a ball or get a stuffy, you'll be able to grab it right away. So when you're done with this video, there'll be a PE kit list below the video on your screen, and you can click on that to open it up. And then you have 5 minutes and you go. Now, when you've collected your kit, you can put it in a bag. If you have a bucket, you can put it in a bucket. Or you can put it in a toy bin. I got to take out the toys first. Or an old laundry basket. This activity has you use your spatial awareness skills. Spatial awareness is when you're aware of what's around you in your space at all times, so it's helpful to dodge things and able to find things. And later your response in Seesaw is going to be taking a picture of your PE kit. Alright, 5 minutes. Close the video. Open up the PE kit list. If you don't have all your stuff, no worries. You'll have time other days to collect it.